National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Carroll County in north central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Howard County in central Maryland, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Ellicott City, or 6 miles north of Columbia, and was moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ellicott City, Milford Mill, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Lockern, Beachfield, Arbutus, Howard Park, Kenton, Union Square. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.